Hi guys, in today's video we played Animal Hospital until Crystal ruined it. What's up, it's Unowndemonic here. Today is gonna be a special video because of the update we just got in and there's a glitch in our game. We unlocked this shift 1 in the top of my screen. We have the shutters unlocked, everything.
There's a surgery on shift 1.
Okay, wait. And today is a special day. We're revealing Crystal's voice. Say hi, Crystal.
Hi.
Okay, she's saying hi. And you can finally hear her talk behind our backs.
Unowndemonic, come. We have to do surgery.
Okay.
Guys, you do surgery.
Check if they're anomalies. Check from the cameras. IV drops. The surgery has started.
Unowndemonic, it's your birthday.
I know, guys. Let's say happy birthday. Are you not helping?
I just got it.
Okay. Hurry up. Got it. Okay. I got the IV drops. Get the organ. Okay. So I got room 7. Let's go. Guys, about I don't know. Excellent. So guys, let's do after next video we do Star Astra POV. Need Star Astra. Next shift. What about the shop? Bang bang. Bang 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 bang. Okay, ignore that. Did you check the cameras?
Yeah, be safe.
Okay.
Shouldn't tase you, Unowndemonic. Tase me.
I tasted.
Do that. I was so mean.
How much sanity do you have? I have 69. What happened when I tased you?
Unowndemonic, you want to tase me? Mama, Unowndemonic, please don't do this. I am doing this room. No, you're in the office. Oh, sorry.
Let's teach her how to cure people. Okay?
I think this is a normal.
No, I checked the camera.
It's freaking.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's either just.
Wide open.
Yeah.
I got room 1.
She's
Okay.
doing it. Somebody is coming in.
Oh, stalker.
6.
Oh, thank God I didn't saw the stalker.
Oh my God! I saw this stalker.
I dodged the stalker.
Somebody is coming in room 6.
Got,
Go check them.
got it.
Open all the singing passports. Yeah, it's a anomaly.
Why is it so foggy?
Anomaly. I told you.
There's water everywhere.
One, open the shutters. I'm not open. Why? Oh, hi. Let me see.
Meow. Why? Why did you buy that? Room 2, that's an anomaly. Open the shutters. Oh, she said okay. I'm extra foggy right now. Guys, I'm the only one here who's healing. I have to heal all of them. What happened? I feel fast. I feel fast. I got the guy in room 5. Guys, I'm the only one who's treating patients. Throw him in the trash can. Throw him in the trash can. Throw him in the trash can. Why? You will get an achievement. Oh, it's a fish. You take Astra. I go all from them. He needs that and that. No.
Please, guys. No patience. The coffee has been made. Not one. How much salary we have to pay? Yeah, 60. Another one here.
74.
Yeah, this is it. Oh my God! Don't look up. Don't.
Third moment.
If you come in the room, I don't know.
A wall hider.
No, he was all.
Or maybe he's eating the patient. Go ahead, his weak points. Got it. Bro, I'm the buy 25%, 33%. Okay.
Start extra, you do the pink one, I will do the.
I feel fast. I feel fast.
Start extra, you do the pink one.
Guys, what do you like to yap? Crystal. Oh, this called sculpture. I got the medicines. How did it die? I gave the right treatment.
No, it was this one.
Ooh, damn.
Bro, why are you trying stuff?
So guys, sorry.
No? Are they working?
These are eating my bugs.
Did he really give it? We're going to get this? No. Good.
Check in patient there and heal him. Room 3?
He's
Okay.
in room 3. I'm doing it.
Okay. This is the corporation on this place, then you are yapping.
Visitor?
No. Yeah. Crystal, return the fire extinguisher. Return the fire extinguisher. Or clean it. Where?
Open the doors of all rooms.
Open the door. They close it every time.
Yeah. Then you open it.
Then open. That one is open.
Okay. Then I will open this.
You go. Okay, every room is here.
You check in 1, 2.
Okay, yo, let me be British.
All the doors.
3, 2. I go room 6. I go room 6. Also room is 7, 6. Okay, guys, ready? This is also in room 7, I think.
No, in room 6.
I got room 6. Blue, purple, yellow.
Hurry.
Done.
Nobody prayed.
Everybody hurry. Medkit.
I didn't say room 2-1, bro. Oh, it's the room 1.
Go room 2. You complete this. He poo-pooed. I got room.
I'm doing room 2. I'm doing room 2. Okay, hurry up. You check the medicine and tell me. I got herbs. I got herbs. Okay.
Somebody give me maple syrup. Okay, guys, you have to help me.
Okay, start. Please room 5. Why do you want me?
One's there. I have 46 hand. Okay.
Poster.
You can. There's gonna be a.
Okay.
You need a key. I think the key will be in Dr. Harlow's office.
No, sir, you know Smurfy, right?
Thank
got
you,
Smurfy,
doctor.
right?
Yup.
He got the key before the.
Well, let's check there.
Oh, this reindeer saying thank you, doctor.
Treating remain patients. Check 5-1 is done. Everything is done. Check the 5-1. Yes.
The doctor is running. Let's go.
Hello, doctor. Hello. Welcome to my shop. Would you like to buy McDonald's? No. Okay, sorry.
Hello, doctor.
Can somebody tase me? Do we lose sanity? If we, how much? Okay. We prepare.
Ambulance? No.
No, after this, we got so much money. How much?
Yeah, keep lying, doctor. I know you will know.
Poor. 481. 1 to 3 animal coins. I'll buy the faster one. Buy this. No. I think Matthew. Is this guy normally? Wait, let me check. Why?
No, it's my name. You're so sweet. You know,
I needed to ask you a favor. Give him the sculpture. No, if you tell the police. Yeah, just take a picture from him. Flu needs. What do he need?
He has no eyes.
What does of the flu need? It doesn't show on the TV. Cough syrup.
Where does he eat?
Guys, I think I'm lagging.
Guys, want to see? What is him?
Tease him! Tease him! Tease him! Don't tease him! Don't! You will lose sanity. I have 30. Guys, I got 7. So many. Check the TV. Wash your hands every single day. Get him the action needed. Locking in. Yo, make sure to leave us like and subscribe. Peace.